Hello viewers, thank you once again for taking out time on my YouTube channel. I'm still modeling the event center, and now today what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be adding a color combination. I'm going to be making this here to be white, whereas I'm going to be using like a sedimentary stone material that will be at a height of 900 or 1000 as the case may be, to demarcate this, to create a kind of effect and design over our project. So without wasting much time, I'm quickly going to be using the slab tool to do this. Okay, I'm going to be using what we call the slab tool to do this. Now this is going to be terminating here. Okay, so all I need to do is take the measurement from there to the ground, and then I use a slab to draw. So I'm going to quickly do that by picking up the slab tool, making it 0,800, and then making the height to be 900. As the case may be, I will just check it as soon as I proceed. Then I'm going to be using a brick-like material here. Let's try this, and I draw. Remember, I'm going to be using a thickness of 25. I'm going to be using a thickness of 25, and then I'm going to be using a brick-like material. Let me see. Yep, that's at height 600. I draw this. This is for the small wall that we have in between, but I'm not going to be making it to be 600. I am going to be making it to be 1000. That's 1 meter. So that invariably means that 1 meter demarcates our building from the main paint. So I'm going to proceed by doing this and drawing this here, and then making this 1000. At any point you see the marketing wall, quickly go there and make it 1000. Now you can see that it's actually playing out gradually. Now I'm going to quickly rush and complete this other side. I'm going to be using a thickness of 25. Offset edge. For it to offset edge, you should pick from the middle to offset edge at any point in time. Take note of that. Pick from the middle to offset edge. So make this 1000, and here we go. You could actually see that our building is taking the shape gradually. Now I want to add a cornice here. I'm not going to be using the molding tool that ArchiCAD comes with. I'm also going to use the slab tool to do that as well. So I'm going to be using I'm going to be giving it a thickness of 50. Let's say 50, but that would be 1050, and I'm going to be making the base to be 1000 because and then I'm going to be giving it an offset of another 25 to make it 50. It's on 3D that you're going to be seeing what I have done now. I have to give it a color white. Let's use soft white for it and go to the 3D. You can see what I've done. here. You can see that. I think it's looking too thick, but I decided to move it back by 10. Yep, I think that's better now. So pick parameters so that I don't need to repeat the figures I was using before, and then draw and make this 40. Now of course, when I go to my front elevation, I'm going to be seeing that there. So that is how I'm going to be using it to go round the building. So you need to take note of that. I have to pause this video here and then finish it up.